Morning students, this is a video lecture of class 6th and the chapter is getting to know plants. In our previous topics we have done a modification of roots. Today we will learn about the modification of stem. You know that the stem of a plant are modified to perform some additional function like roots. Let us study some basic functions and important functions that are the modification of stem. First is storage food. Same as root, the storage of food is also necessary for plants. Stems of plants like ginger, onion, potato develop underground. They are developed under the grounds through roots, and they become thick and fleshy due to the storage of food. As like roots, they become thick. They become thick. The thickness of their roots become more to storage of the food. So the first modification, the first function is to storage of the food. So example like ginger, onion, so like that. This is roots, this is stem. The stem become widen because they have to store the food. The first function is to store the foods. Like ginger, the ginger stem is also very widen to storage of food, so they store the food and use this after that. Clear? So this is the first function performed by the modification of stem. And the second function is the food manufacture. Plants like cactus grow in deserts. In desert area, the plants like cactus are they are mostly found in the dry places. In such plants, the stem is modified into a thick, fleshy and green structure, and these stems manufacture food by the photosynthesis and also conserve water. They also contain spines because the spines on the stem is very thickened. The spine are actually the modified leaves. They are modified because the water is very less in the desert area, so that the spine converted into so the leaves of the cactus converted into a spine, so to use the water in the leaves. Clear? So that is a opportunia. Its scientific name is opportunia, that is cactus. Okay, so the second function is to food manufacture of stem. The modification of stem is the food manufacture. They can manufacture the food by thickening or fleshy green structure. The third is the stem is modified because to defense. In some plants like bougainvillea and citrus, the buds in the stem are modified into hard, pointed, and sharp structures because to defense their structure. Some animals easily eat if these stubs of thorns are not present there. So the thorns are the very important pointed structures that are help or defense the flowers of the plant and other stem, other parts of the plants, to prevent from eating the plants. So these structures are very important. So these three are the most important manufacturing modification of the stem. So I hope you learn these things, and today's your homework is to revise these things or to revise these three modification of stem and read one by one all. Thank you.